Hi guys, this is James. Now, on the 3rd of August 2022 at 11 a.m. Eastern, YoDrive is launching. Now, YoDrive is an online storage tool for all your files that is going to help you boost your business and that of your clients as well. Now, I got a quick review of YoDrive coming up. Before that, check out this demo.
It has never been easier to host, manage, and deliver your website, images, sales videos, demo videos, videos for training, and other marketing files to your clients and team members, but with YoDrive it's easy and fast. YoDrive is a must-have solution that replaces multiple old-school, slow-loading, and costly apps with a lightning-fast user experience to run a profitable business online. It supercharges your website speed, play buffering-free HD videos, store and share marketing files, PDF, etc. for client projects to get more leads, sales, and customer satisfaction in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Upload. Just upload any file, images, videos, audios, documents, etc. from your PC once, and YoDrive optimizes those according to internet speed and makes multiple resolutions for faster delivery on any device. Step 2. Get file, URL, or embed code. Just get a file URL or one line of code to share and publish your file anywhere on the internet, on any page, or on any website. Step 3. Share, publish, and profits. You can share, publish, or access any file wherever you want instantly and start getting more eyeballs and more customers glued to it. No installation, no coding, or other techie stuff. In less than 2 minutes, you can publish your YoDrive images, videos, or any file anywhere on the internet. It's easy, faster, and built with love for anyone who runs an online business. With YoDrive, you can do much more. Host and manage all your files. Any type of videos, video, training, website, images, PDF, docs, audio, zip files, or any other marketing file. Supercharge performance of your own and your clients' websites, landing pages, online shops, or membership sites with ultra-fast loading images and videos. YoDrive delivers them at super fast speed with fast CDN. After all, time is money. To get your audience spellbound and you get more engagement, leads, and sales, tap into the huge $398 billion e-learning industry. Deliver all your videos, docs, or PDF training on done-for-you sites or doc sharing channels. With YoDrive, you can create your beautiful video training channels and pages to deliver your training fast and secure and impress your customers. Play sales and training videos in HD on any page, site, or member area and dominate video marketing. Generate tons of leads and affiliate sales. Deliver freebies to build a huge list and boost commissions by giving bonuses to your subscribers. You can deliver them all on beautiful doc sharing pages. Sell products online. Deliver digital products, templates, plugins, or any package securely, fast, and easy. Want to deliver client projects? We have got you covered, as you can store all your files with YoDrive and access them from anywhere with unbreakable security. So whatever your goal is, we have a proven solution for you. Just store your files with YoDrive and it will deliver your files with high security 24/7, even while you are sipping your cappuccino, watching your favorite web series on Netflix, shaking your leg on the dance floor, or even watching the Lakers nail their opponents on the court. It has got everything covered. YoDrive is a cut above the rest. It's fast and easy. It's proven and elegant. It's reliable and robust. So with YoDrive, you get everything max. Max storage, max security, max flexibility. Isn't it amazing? But we do not finish here. Always know how you are doing with precise analytics. Know your numbers to improve your marketing campaigns and better results. Share your files on branded file sharing pages. Those are elegant, SEO optimized, and 100% mobile responsive. Share your files privately with your clients, customers, and team members. It comes with an inbuilt contact management system. Access files anytime, anywhere with Business Cloud. Unbreakable file security with SSL and OTP-enabled login. 30 days online backup and file recovery. Single dashboard to manage all business files. No need to buy multiple apps. Manage files, effortlessly share multiple files, full text search, and file preview. Inbuilt elegant video player with HDR support. A to Z complete video training included. You will get live chat customer support, Lastly, you don't need to spend a single dollar on buying a domain or spending monthly on hosting. Everything runs on our ultra-fast cloud-based platform. Guys, I hope you are thrilled with the premium features I just shared with you.
All right, people. So I guess you are drooling from the demo that you just saw. Well, join me as I jump in on this sales page of YoDrive. Now, this is pre-launch, so this sales page may change around when it launches. Now, let's go through some of the great things about YoDrive that I want to highlight and a few areas that I think you need to take or pay attention to before you jump in on this offer. I'm not pretty happy with some of the things that are stated on the sales page, which may be a deal breaker. So YoDrive is a tool that will help you boost conversions because it ensures that videos and other files that you want to share on your websites load fast. Now, YoDrive claims to be one of a kind platform that hosts and delivers website images, files, high definition videos at lightning fast speed at a low one-time fee. Now, what is lightning fast speed? There is no comparison if you look at the entire sales page where it shows that it is faster than whatever exists today. So that's difficult to compare. The low one-time fee, yes, you can compare. Now, with YoDrive, you can play high-definition videos on any page, site, or members area, as was mentioned in the demo. It supercharges your websites because of the fast loading of images and other media. And it's pretty easy to use, as you saw from the demo. You just have to upload whatever file that you want to upload onto YoDrive, get the URL or the embed code, store it, publish. Now, during this launch period, people, use this coupon code YoDrive to get an additional 10% off. And there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. I will be coming back to that in a moment. Now, you also get a commercial license for a limited time during this period. Now, guys, have a look at this. There are limitations, and this is one of the things that I do not like, because it says in the demo that it is max storage, but in reality, it is not max storage. You are limited to 100 to 250 gigabyte storage. Now, there are OTOs that I'll be going through, which will show you how you can remove this limitation. There's also a live chat feature, so that's great. If you're ever stuck, then you can reach out to them and get this problem of yours solved fast. Now, you get to play your video files because it comes inbuilt with a video player. Now, from the page here, people, I get the feel that YoDrive has been around for a while and it has already hosted this number of files and this number of videos have been played in minutes, and this number of downloads have taken place and has helped this number of businesses. I guess based on this statistics, this is not a new tool that's going to disappear overnight. It's going to be around for a while. And YoDrive is promoted by Dr. Amit, Pareek, Atul Pareek, and Achal Goswami. Now, guys, there are some statistics here on the sales page. And if you have been on internet marketing or online marketing for a while, you'll definitely be familiar with the claims that these statistics are making. Okay, here are more statistics, people. It's a pity that the source of this data is not indicated to give it a bit more credibility. And here are the problems that YoDrive solves for you. It solves the problem of using old school cloud services because they don't optimize your content according to the device and internet speed. And these are the problems if you were to use Amazon Cloud, VPS, or shared hosting. You need to be a little bit tech savvy if you want to use these. And number three is that if you use services like YouTube and Google Drive, there are issues that are derived from these service platforms as well. And finally, there is no monthly payment at all when you pick it up during this launch period. Now, guys, a low one-time payment will not sustain YoDrive. So they are definitely going to increase the price post-launch. And it's definitely going to be a monthly subscription like everything else that exists out there, or annual. Now, this statement here, guys, if you go through the sales page, I could not find what these 50 plus cool features were. Now, guys, one of the features that YoDrive has that is not found in other storage platforms is that you can create SEO and mobile optimized doc sharing sites or channels. And the other cool feature is that you can share your files privately as well with clients, customers, and even team members. And of course, guys, you get precise analytics. And this is something that is missing from a lot of the other cloud storage platforms. There is a lead management system as well, which is missing from many of the others. And there is an online backup and 30 days file recovery. And this is cool as well, an all-in-one dashboard to manage all your business files. And you can manage your files easily because you can share multiple files and even conduct full text search and preview the files as well. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this is your limitation, 250 gigabyte storage and a bandwidth of up to 250 gigabyte per month. And your sharing pages are brandable as well. So that's cool. Now, they claim that there is a round-the-clock support. Now, I'm not too sure if round-the-clock means 24/7 or something else. And you get regular updates for free. So check out YoDrive, people. Against all the features that are listed here, there are about 20 plus here. Against Google Drive, Dropbox, and Amazon AWS, probably the most popular cloud storage platforms that exist today. Now, you also get 1 million plus royalty free stock photos and videos, which the others do not give you. You can also set expiration date for privately shared links. You can password protect your files as well. And this is cool. You get a personal drive for each team member of yours. And you get folders effortlessly enabled login. And of course, live chat, which is missing from the others. Now, guys, there are a few bonuses that you get from the vendor when you pick it up during this launch period. Bonus number one is live training on how to get 10K a month with YoDrive. Bonus number two is private access to online business VIP club. Bonus number three is video training on how to start an online coaching business. Bonus number four is a lead generation video workshop. Bonus number five is video training on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, so this is the next thing that I do not like because it is limited. It's not an unconditional, risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee. Because if you pick it up and you want to claim money back, you need to give or state a reason why you are requesting for your money back. Now, it comes in two versions, YoDrive Personal and YoDrive Commercial. Check it out, guys. There are limitations in the two different licenses. And the price difference is only $3. You might as well jump in on the commercial plan and get the commercial license as well. So here's a caveat, guys. The duration of the service is about 60 months. Okay, people, let's go through some of the OTOs. OTO 1 is the YoDrive Elite. Now, there are two versions of that. You pay monthly $37 or you pay a one-time $97. Now, OTO 2 is the YoDrive Enterprise plan. You have a personal license for $47 or a commercial going for $67, both one time. OTO 3 is the YoDrive Agency plan. You get a 100 client license for $67 one time or an unlimited client license for $97 one time. And OTO 4, the final upsell, is the Your Premium membership. Comes in two versions, a monthly deal going for $77 per month, or the membership plan with 3 installments, $247 per month, 3 installments, or the one-time deal going for $697. There you go, guys. I hope that quick walkthrough and demo of YoDrive has shown you how you can put this tool to use to boost your business and that of your clients. Now, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that I have prepared for you when you pick up YoDrive through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications. And I wish you great success with YoDrive.